Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem on Windows 11 operating system. In the first step, we need to right click here on the star icon, then select settings. On this window, we need to just scroll down from the system section, select about, then click on advanced system settings. Once we are here, we need to just go to hardware tab, then select device installation settings, and we need to select this option. And your device might not work as expected, so click on save changes and close all windows one by one. Then simply open settings again and scroll down, select troubleshoot, click on other troubleshooters. Before this method, we need to just go to search bar, type device manager, and on this window just expand sound video controllers and right click on this driver, select update drivers. You can also just right click on it, select properties, go to drivers tab and click on update drivers. Then we will select the first icon, the search automatically for drivers. Make sure you are connected with your internet connection, then select the first option. So the best drivers will be installed. Once done, close all windows one by one, then click on playing audio, select run. It will try to detect the problems and it will show you what type of issue is there on our system related to this issue. So there we go. We need to select here and then need to uncheck this box, click on OK, select OK and close this window. That's it guys, just restart your system and your problem will be solved. Don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel.